Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a perfect YouTube thumbnail using AI. This process is very interesting and easy. Let's get started. First, let's open our web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. If you're on a mobile device, just open. If you have two-step verification enabled, you'll need to complete that as well. It's an extra layer of security to keep your account safe. First, I'll write the script for my video using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can write scripts very easily. Watch how I use it. Suggest me a YouTube thumbal idea for this title. Stop this eating this. Deatiled analysis Indian masla band. Look, ChatGPT has given me many suggestions. Now, I'll select a script. So, our script is ready. Now, let's move on to creating the thumbnail. The thumbnail is the first impression of the video, so it needs to be attractive and relevant. Has become much better, so click on first sight, then this kind of interface will appear in front of you, then click on submit and your sign in will be completed, and here you will get some images already generated. So click on the plus below and paste your copy prompt from here, and scrolling down you get some commands which you do not have to touch because below you get the option of magic promotion, which will add it automatically if needed. But at the end, you have to keep it on auto and you have to select the ratio 16:9, leave the rest the same, and at the top you get the option of generate. Then click on it, then till the time the thumbnails are being generated, I will tell you some of its conditions. Let me tell you that with this you can generate 20 thumbnails daily and on every. And if you also make a video daily, then 80 thumbnails is enough for you. So one way, this is free. So look at your thumbnails that have been generated and look, our thumbnail is ready. This is how you can also easily create professional looking thumbnails using AI tools. How perfect they are. And the text is also perfect. If you do not like the second thumbnail, the third and fourth, then you can generate it again, and whichever you like best. Select it, and then tap on the three dots and download it from here. Now let's create this thumbnail of MrBeast. First click on this arrow, and then come back. After that come to the tabs above, and come to the ChatGPT tab. Then below you have to tap on the message option. And here, you have to type the same thing. Suggest me a YouTube 1 day's trap, win $5 lock. Then you have to click on the arrow on the side, and after that your thumbnail ID will start generating. This will be done. After the idea is generated, zoom out. Select it from the beginning to the end and copy it. Now go to the tabs. From here go to the gram tab, and delete it from here, then paste the new prompt. And you have to keep the settings the same and click on the generate option. Our thumbnails have started generating, so if you are still watching this video, if yes, then maybe you are forgetting to like, and our thumbnails have been generated, and you can see how many good thumbnails it has generated, and personally, the last one is quite good. If it is, then you can download it by clicking on the same three dots. Now, we will create a gaming thumbnail, then open the ChatGPT by clicking on the tabs icon, then zoom down and type the same thing in the message, and I will put random in the title. I am only headshot gameplay 1. Then tap on plus. Select the previous prompt, delete it, paste that promotion, then click on generate, and after waiting for a few seconds, your thumbnails are ready and quite next level, and all the thumbnails are perfect. Download the one you like best. Do this and you can also do region made again. Now, we will create horror thumbnail. So, come back and open the tab of ChatGPT. Then type the same thing in the message, and the title of this video is Yellow Dress Girl, and next horror story must be added. And click on the arrow, then wait a bit. So, after getting the idea, select it, then copy it. Now come switch tab. Switch the icon, then go back with the arrow and click on plus icon and paste the prompt in. Click on generate and wait few seconds, and results are amazing, and font has been used according to the situation. I will download it now. Now we will create the thumbnail of The Legend of Hanuman Season 4. First of all, we will come to the ChatGPT tab and click on the message. Will start as soon as you tap on the arrow. Now, as soon as the idea comes, select copy and switch the tabs. Then come back and tap on plus. Do this, delete the promotion and paste your promotion and see that the settings are the same because later people call it fake. Now click on generate and after just waiting for a while, your thumbnails will be in front of you. And the results are also very next level. This end matches the font and text very well. Everything from background to character element. Now download it. Just outro. If you like this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.